Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, this is your English teacher and I am here again with exercises of poem My Shadow from your English textbook. So my dear students, before starting the exercises, let's have an quick overview on this poem. So, students, My Shadow is a poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. The poem revolves around a child and his shadow. He is fascinated by his own shadow that moves with him. The child starts noticing things about his shadow that moves with him. Moreover, he also sees that the shadow does the same things as the child. Sometimes it gets into bed before the child can. However, something confused the child. It is that the shadow keeps changing the size. Sometimes it grows very tall and other times it turns very small. So students, this was the summary of this poem. Now let's come to the exercises. Enjoy the poem. So students, the question number A, fill in the blanks. The first one is I have a blank that goes in and out with me. So students, here your answer will be shadow. You have to fill SHADOW, shadow. Now let's come to the second one. He is very like me from the hills up to the blank. So students, here your answer will be head. HEAD, head. Now the third one. And I see him blank before me when I jump into my bed. So students, here your answer will be jump. You have to write or fill JUMP, jump, in the given blank. Now students, let's play with words. Question number B. Like shadow, many words begin with SH. Read the clues and complete the SH words. So students, like shadow, there are many words which start with or begin with SH. Now students, here you have to read the clues and complete the SH word that is given here. The first one is we wear them on our feet. So students, what do we wear on our feet? Yes, shoes. So here you have to complete the spelling of shoes by writing OES. So students, you have to write OES in capital letter. Now let's come to the second one. The animal gives us wool. So students, which animal gives us wool? Yes, here your answer will be sheep. So here you have to write EEP in capital letter. Now let's come to the third one. We collect these from a beach. So students, what we collect from a beach? Yes, your answer will be cells. So you have to write ELLS to complete or to make the word cells. The next one is this is very big boat. So students, you know very well ship is very big boat. You have to write IP in the given blank in capital letter to make the word ship. Now last one, we buy toys from here. So students, from where we buy toys? Yes, here your answer will be shop. You have to write OP in capital letter to make the word shop. Now students, let's have a grammar fun. Look at the animals on the farm. Write yes, there is, or no, there is not to answer these questions. So students, first of all, look at the picture that is given here. You have to observe this picture and answer the given questions. So students, according to these questions, you have to see in this picture if there is that thing which is given in question. So here you have to write yes, there is. If there is not that thing in this picture, then you have to write there is not. So the first one is already written here. Is there a cow on the farm? So students, look at this picture. Yes, there is a cow. So here your answer will be yes, there is. That is already written here. Now let's come to the question number 2. Is there an elephant on the farm? So students, look at the picture. Is there an elephant on this picture? No, there is no elephant in this picture. So here you have to write no, there is not. Now let's come to the question number 3. Is there a duck on the farm? So students, look at this picture. There is a duck in the pond. So here your answer will be yes, there is. Now let's come to the question number 4. Is there a rabbit on the farm? Yes, there is a rabbit in this picture. So here you have to write yes, there is. Now let's come to the 5th question. Is there an eagle on the farm? So students, look at this picture. Is there an eagle on this picture? No, there is no an eagle in this picture. So here you have to write no, there is not. Now students, let's come to the picture composition. So students, look at the picture. Tick the sentence that are true. Students, look at this picture. Here few sentences are given below this picture. You have to tick the sentence that are true. Now let's read the sentence. It is a sunny day. So students, look at this picture. Is it a sunny day? No, it's a rainy day. So you have to leave this. The second one, the children are having lunch. So students, look at this picture. No children are having lunch, or they are playing. So this sentence is also not true. Now let's come to the next sentence. One girl has a paper boat. So students, look at this picture. Yes, there is a one girl. She has a paper boat. So you have to tick this sentence. The next one, they are all very sad. So students, look at this picture. All children are very happy. They are not sad. So this sentence is not true. Now let's come to the next sentence. It is raining. Yes, students, in this picture it's a raining. So you have to tick this sentence. Now the next sentence, the children are playing in the rain. Yes, the children are playing in the rain. So this sentence is true. So you have to tick this. The next one girl is skipping a rope. So students, in this picture, not any girl is skipping a rope. So this statement is not true. Now let's come to the last one. They are all very happy. Yes, in this picture all the children are very happy. So you have to take this sentence. Now let's fun time. Match the animals with their shadows. So students, here few animals are given. You have to match these animals with their shadows. You have to do this yourself. So students, the explanation and exercises of this chapter is completed now. I hope you understood about the poem and the exercise of this chapter very well by the help of this video. Now your turn to study and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.